hurt and break down the emission more than the other countries, because Europe is because USA is the capitalized country, and for the development and maintaining the standard of the capitalization, they are not committed to reduce their capital standard, reduce their capital per capita carbon gas emission reductions. Cost estimates and emissions. Emissions target to the Kyoto Protocol. Belarus, Malta, Turkey are the countries into the Annex 1, but not are the part of the Kyoto targets. Thus, the US as a Kyoto target of a 6% reduction and relatively to the year of a 1990, but has not rectified the treaty. Still they are not rectifying the treaty, but the emission in the US have increased by 11% since 1990. In the situation in 2011, from the 1990, the percentage of the carbon gases emission is increasing by the 11%. The energy sector is found to be the largest source of the emissions. Due to the non-US participation into the Kyoto Treaty, the costs estimated were found to be much lower than those estimated into the IPCC third assessment report. The multinational in the Kyoto Protocol countries into the force means the new restrictions, new source of income, and for the both the companies operating into the industrialization will be subject the program developed by the those country to meet their Kyoto obligations. Where the Kyoto obligations here is there, so here the carbon emissions and the pollution rate must be defined by the certain countries, and if that country is a multinational company, if that country have a maximum number of multinational options or the operations, in that conditions Kyoto Protocol is generating the obligations or one kind of obstacles for maintaining the standards for the business operations. Companies with the facility in developing country might be in a position taken advantages of the carbon financing through the clean development mechanisms. Here the clean development mechanism CDMA is little bit liberal into the developing countries, so the multinational company, those who are the US based, they can establish their unit into the developing countries and generating their maximum profits and maintaining the standards into the Asia, into the maximum developing countries for the Kyoto Protocol limits registered into their respected country. For example, through the Southeast Asian subsidiaries companies such as Unlocal have explored the way to use the CDM transaction to finance the new clean energy projects. So here the sustainability development based project can be worked through the developing countries into by the developed countries in such a manner. Unresolved issues in the Kyoto Protocol. No detailed and specific policy is measured to meet the reduction of a target. Here, country wise, the resources and the standards are different, so no uniform standards can be come out for the measurement of the specific Kyoto units or the carbon emission units. No commitment from developing the nations, no detail on the implementations and permit the system including the penalties. Here the penalty standards or the punitive actions is not well versed or the well defined and well elaborated into the Kyoto protocol units. No details on the funding mechanisms for the developing country. Here the developing country, earlier I said that for the mentioning the balancing between the economic and industrial development as well as balancing, they have to balancing between the another that the pollution based unit and maintaining the natural reservoirs. So here the funding limits is not mentioning for the developing countries. So if the funding will be properly allocated to the maximum developing countries, those are establishing into the South Asian region, so that the properly developing of the fundings can be done, so they can more tightly and make a strict measure for the controlations of a carbon gases, those who are generating the greenhouse effects. Bunker fuels include the unresolved that, for example, fuel used into the shipping and air travels. Now, these are the different as per the different airline basis and different according to the shipping basis. So here, when this both of the air travel and the shipping travel country to country when they are traveling, so the limits are not properly mentioned into this area, so they cannot control the marine based Kyoto unit into the policies. US want to rectify. US was not rectify the Kyoto Protocol, which means certain area of the USA are not ready to rectify and sign the certain treaties on the Kyoto Protocol. But it hasn't withdrawn for the either. Earlier they are denied, but they cannot withdraw from the treaty of the Kyoto Protocol. The main objections of the US to rectification is regarding the nature of a participation of developing countries, and the US will be not rectifying the protocol unless the developing countries are required to keep the greenhouse level at the target minimum level. US feel that the Kyoto Protocol is unfair, that the country like itself will be the harm economically because they will have to make the most of the changes or the production which are adhered or which main production is based on the emission of a carbon dioxide, and they cannot set the level for the CO2 for the fourth Kyoto protocol commitment or the treaties. Recent advancement into the Kyoto protocols. Russia, Japan, Canada, G8, G8, they would not join the second round of the carbon cuts under the Kyoto Protocol. United Nations talks, the US retreated it would remain outside of this treaty. They argued that the Kyoto format did not required for the developing country, including China, the world number one carbon emitter country, into the South Asian prospects to make the target the carbon emission rate cuts. 2011 August, European Unions are the major developing countries, and most of the Africa and Pacific island nations declared that they would like to see the Kyoto process extended as the preludes or more than the ambitious way binding the international agreement that they takes the effect till by the 2020. Here they want to redesigning the prima facie procedure of a new Kyoto Protocol, and it will be organized and they are committed to reduce their carbon emission by the 2020. United Nations and United Nations Climate Change Conference in Durban in 2011. That conference in 2011 primary focuses on the global climate change agreement, in which they rectifying the base year standards, and the period is 2008 to 2012 was about to be end for the measurement of the period assigned. Also expected the focus to finalizing at least some of the concurrence agreements, such as cooperation on the clean technology as well as the forest protection and adoption of a climate impact and etc. Canada's Environment Minister Peter Kent announced his country's withdrawal from the Kyoto Protocol. But the important information is that recently 2017 Kyoto Protocol Summit will be organized in the month of March into the Canada, which will be the 5th Kyoto Protocol Summits. After the 2 weeks of the negotiation, deal was reached by the last day, Sunday 11 December, after the 60 years of the marathon negotiation session. And the negotiation agreed to be prepared of a legally binding treaty and to address the global warming. The term for the future treating are to be defined by the 2015 and becoming effective into the 2020. Agreement referred as a Durban platforms. Durban, which is in the South Africa and includes developing countries such as China and India as well as the US, which referred to sign the Kyoto protocols, and the green funds which are provided to the developing country US dollar thousand per year to the poor countries for adopting the Kyoto protocol call for the countries. Now here we are going to the potential for the India in a short term. India, the country which is the main major part right now into the South Asian prospects, those who have a major problems of a global hitting, Kyoto Protocol mechanism, role of an India in measuring policies and current affairs into the Kyoto Protocol region. Here again we have seen these are the impact and these are the usages of the Kyoto Protocol, how it will be helpful to the India. Now here into the India you can see the carbon emissions are there, and due to that the impact has been generated. The major impact which has been generated through the damaging by the storms and even damaging by the epidemic diseases which are there into the global warming basis, and their cause and effect relationship with the India's several states. Global impact and their implication: hurricanes, uh, disease, polar ice melt, death, global warming, and rise into the sea level. Here, the India recently faces. Recent year they have faces these two casualty, one is tsunami and another one is Himalayan tsunami. These are the rising to the sea level and even generated the heavy manner of a casualty due to the atmospheric disturbance generated through the greenhouse effect into the place of Arunachal and another into the place of the south near the Tamil Nadu. Climate change, rapid industrial change causes climate change based causes into the greenhouse impact, rapid industrial growth, increase the energy consumption, increase the CO2 and other uh, greenhouse gas emission, global warming due to the increasing into the concentrations is increasing the sea level, change into the wind direction and change into the crop into the yield. Here the yield crop has been decreasing ever and every year the agriculture production has been reducing due to the climate change impact. Here the wind direction, recently India has faced in and their neighbor country have faced the low atmospheric pressures, that is by the Neelam, and soon they will faces a problem which a cyclone which named is Priya soon will be occur between the Gulf of Munnar between the two countries, it is India and Sri Lanka. So now these are the adverse effect of the carbon emission gases, and low gas pressure, low atmospheric pressure has been arise, and so many large number of a casualty can be faced by the several parts of the different countries into the world, specifically in India. Global warming potentials, the respected gases are there. India and the Kyoto Protocol. How the India Kyoto Protocol impacts into the India. India will not sign any legal bindings to the global agreements and emission reduction, as the country need to eradicate the poverty through the economic growth. India argues since the CO2 is the atmospheric from the development countries, and it is responsibility to cut down slowly and gradually into the carbon emission rate. Now in India, through the two authority, Indian Energy Development Corporation and the Pollution Control Body, and even the Gujarat Energy Development Corporations and several energy development corporations and associations into the respected states are more and more emphasis on the sustainable development and focuses on the sustainable development based unit. So the complete development can be possible, and India is being developing country, so it is stable enough to global warming as a as the carbon emission cut will be not rapidly or steeply can be cut down, but slowly and gradually they can cripple and curve the carbon emission rate and generate that economically standard maintenance. And the timeline for the carbon emission reductions are the different for the different countries. Three mechanisms which we have earlier mentioned: Even track 1 and track 2 we have mentioned. CDM, we have clean development mechanism that we have also mentioned. Here the energy base parts that is also mentioned. Now here how it works under the scheme of the oil-based company that buy the units, the carbon emission, they can sell that unit to the other countries, and they can through that unit they can generate the forester plantations or generated and maintenance and foster the environmental development through the CSR activity and trying to reduce the carbon emissions. Now, the bogus carbon trading is the biggest issue right now faced during this area. European Union established the emission trading scheme, and the Caro Uzel fraud and the new improved fraud and the government actions challenge are ahead the biggest problem that are faced by the Kyoto Protocol transactions. So now these are the issues. In spite of developing country and in spite of not stipulated treaties or the documents signed by the India, but still India playing an active role for the implementation and following of the Kyoto Protocol. This is the end of the lecture. If you have any kind of the discrepancy, please mention and mail me on my email ID priya287084@gmail.com.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.